So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini basketball. So let's get started. First you need a cardboard. Then we have to paste a chart paper on it. So hope you can see my cardboard. You can use either double tape to stick this or either glue to stick this. So I have both. So first I will apply glue. Okay, then we'll apply double tape and then we will get a cardboard like this. So hopefully you can see it. So now I have paper glasses. You can use paper cups, paper anything you can use for this. Just that it needs to be cut out here, so use like that kind of thing. Yeah. Okay, I have one out here. I will place this out here. But as I told you that we have to do the cutting, so I am going to use a knife for it. It's not getting cutted. What shall I do? Idea. Just cut it like this, no? Okay. This has got cutted. And here we got like this kind of thing, and now we will stick it out here. So this will be sticked like this. So one here, one here, one here, one here, and one out here. So I will draw a line out here too, and I'll attach a tape or a paper wrap for this. Now I am just taking double tape for this because double tape can hold it for much longer time. Okay, and in this one I use double tape from sides and glue from here. Okay, so there is a double tape and I'm going to stick it. Wait, you can see. I will make like that. Yeah, hopefully you can see it. Wait. Okay, now so I am sticking this thing up here. No, just come here. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's so down, so we have to write here mini basketball. So we'll put it up here. This is a good area. Yeah, it just got sticked. Just pull it off. So now this has tape from both sides. That's why it is called double tape. Now stick this out here. So like this, our one hole is ready to go. Now another one we'll put. Guys, I am making the stylish and the beautiful one. You can make however you want to make it. So I hope here we should put it. And just need this. We should do this, and we got this and our knife. So first, and guys, just be careful with scissors and knives. I'm just 10 years old, but I can manage it. But others smaller than me, just see. Yeah, it's got cut. Just plane it off, like just do like this. Okay, now this is planed, and now we'll just do like this. Okay, now this also got sticked. So as you can see, now we have two of them, but this I have to stick a little tight. Okay guys, okay, so now I will need this thing, and I will just stick it out here. Okay, now I will cut this part off, and now I will paste it out here. Guys, one problem is there. I am feeling this place is too small for writing the points in this. So I thought just add this points, we will write it. Or we'll add this out here and we'll write for the points. But one time when we wrote the points, we couldn't write another time. So it's better if I do like that. So let's just take this off. My paper glass, knife. Okay, just be careful with it because knives and scissors are very sharp to use. You can see only this is made up of plastic and it can cut this so easily. That's why it is called. This is very sharp. Yeah. Now our 3 goals are done. Now we will attach another one here. Okay, and another one out here. So there my paper glass, and I'll take out another paper glass. Yeah. Now our paper basketball would look like this, but we will decorate it, means I will decorate it, you will decorate it or not, that's up to you. Cut. And if you don't know how to cut, just do it in the presence of an adult and ask your mother, sister or any guardian to use this and cut it for you. Okay, it's not getting cut it out there, so I will cut it from here. Yeah. Yeah. I just cut. And my double tape will get cut now. Guys, if you have a table tennis ball, you can use that. But if you have something waste like me, like a wasted paper and all, so I will teach you how to make a ball. So just wait for it. Let's complete this mini basketball and then I will show. Stick out here. And where is the cutted part? Where did it go down? Excuse me. Okay. So here we are. We have made our basketball completed. Now we'll throw the ball from there to there. Look, it looks so beautiful. But not beautiful until we decorate it. So I am using pink and yellow highlighters to decorate it. Just put your materials aside so you can get space for it. And now I'll just do it. I'll just show you once more. And I was thinking to put it out here, so I didn't do it because we have already 4 of them. So I will write the points also, how much points one contains. Okay, let's write mini. Hi, mini. Mini. Basket. Ball. B-A-S-L. And now we'll decorate this also. So from here, this board is not getting complete. Okay, now we will take this. I will write 5 points. Then here I will write 4 points. Now I'll write here 3 points. and here I will write 4 points. F-O-U-R, 4 points. Now I did one mistake, so I think I will need a white color. But let's take a yellow color from my favorite box of colors. So I wrote F-Y-O-U-R. So I'll just color that part, and now then it is little light, but here you can see it looks so beautiful. Now we will decorate from the top part also. For that we will need some color pencils. So I am using pink to make some stars. You can decorate any way you like. And don't forget, if you want to write mini basketball, leave at least this much space to write it. Okay, and now I have this blue one also. We use the same colors to use this, so this will look more good. And now from this color, oh, this is planted. Okay, now I'm using dark blue actually. Now we'll make hearts. Now I just thought that we can make out here, and we will write the 10 points out here. So the VIP one also I'm thinking to write out here. So let's see if it looks good or not. Just see guys, just comment, don't comment because YouTube has closed the comments for kids. So this doesn't look good, no? Okay, then we will not do it. Yeah. Okay, now I'll cover this with hearts only. Okay, from this this paper basketball is completed. Hopefully you can see the stars. I have drawn stars out here. It's very light, no? Here you can see some things out here. So that are stars that I have drawn. It's difficult to see. Now I will paste my mini basketball. I hopefully guys just see once if it looks good. Just tell. I will paste it out here. Does it looks good, guys? Yeah, I will put it out here. So from this, our mini basketball is completed. You can see it's very light, so I will just color it with my highlighter. Oh no, don't fall off. Okay, now I hope you can see it. Now I will color the hearts also with this blue color. Little bit is coming out, but it's okay. Because I can't color so perfectly with these glasses. Glasses, no, cups, paper glasses. So it's no problem if it comes out. Just try to make it a little good. Okay. Okay, now we are done with our mini basketball. It looks so good, guys. And I hope you can't see no 5 points, these and all. I got an idea for that also. Okay, now I'm going to take an eraser to erase it. So my erasers are in here. It's here. Okay, now I erase. Okay, it's erased. I need to erase this thing. This one. 5 points. Okay. Guys, now you can see our mini basketball is absolutely ready. Absolutely ready. So we have to keep this aside, and now I'm going to show you how to make a paper ball. So for that I am using a white paper. Please come out. Yeah. And cut it the white paper. Now just fold it into half. See. Yeah, fold it into half. Now crush it. Crush. Now this ball is also ready to go. I will just show you how to play this. Oh, it got stuck and it came. You have to do like this. It will go through both sides and it will come down. So 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So we got 10 points. So this is how you are going to play. And now I was telling about how to stick it. So just come out here. I'll just take my double tape and put it on the chair and the wall also. So here I have my double tape and my scissors too. Okay, just pull it off. Actually guys, this video is not sponsored by anyone. This I just saw from Pinterest and I wanted to make it. So I just thought that guys, you should see this. Just I did like this, and now I'll just do like this. Yeah. Out here I'm going to stick this part. Out here. Where is that part? Okay. Our mini basketball is sticked and go. Okay. I think I need to make a little smaller ball. Just use the half size of the paper this. So you can see our basketball and the ball is absolutely ready. If you like my video, then like. If you just loved this video, then share it. And if you loved both of them, then subscribe it.